Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐴𝐲 with another tutorial whether how you can install Opera browser. So to install it, open any browser you already have on your system and search Opera browser. Then click on this link which will take you to their platform. Here they have provided the information about the prominent features of this browser, including the downloading button. So to download it, click on download and after downloading, run the setup file. Here I'm unchecking this checkbox to stop it from running in the background. Then click on this options link and uncheck the options you don't see fit at this point in time. Then click on accept and install, and then click on accept. Here select the second option if you are using it for the first time. Then select the existing browser if we want to import any data from them, and then click on next. And for now, I'm not making it my default browser. And here select a theme. And then wallpaper on your start page. And I certainly want to turn on ad blocker. And if you want to add social apps, you can select them here. Since I don't want to, I'm unselecting them for now. And then click on done. Now it's ready and you can start browsing. Here just select an option to let them know whether how did you discover Opera. Also, if you want, you can turn off some features by clicking on this easy setup. Moreover, you can add or remove features on the sidebar by checking and unchecking them. Also, if you want to make any changes in the settings, just go to settings either by using Opera menu or under easy settings. And here you can make all the changes according to your needs. Anyhow, this is how you can install Opera browser, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.